Well, hello. Glad you're here. Glad you're stopping by. I'm just getting off work, heading to the hospital. It's an emergency room, not for me. My stepdad, he got put back in the hospital today. Now, we talked about some of it on Saturday where he got sent there, got sent to the emergency room, and they done nothing. Didn't help or anything. Didn't see anything wrong. And, you know, he's off the medicine that I thought he was on. So it wasn't that. And they just sent him home. I get a phone call here while I was at work probably a couple hours ago, which would have been about 2 o'clock or something like that. And my brother let me know that, hey, they had to call the EMS to come pick my stepdad up. I talked to my mom, and she's in the emergency room with him. He's got a fever now, and he's really sick. I don't know if he's throwing up or something, but his immune system's gone, basically. I mean, I think that's how it works. If you go through, like, radiation or cancer treatment, your immune system just gets fucked. I kind of feel like this is what's happening, is that, you know, when he went Saturday, yeah, there was people in the emergency room. Obviously, there's some sick people there. And with his immune system the way it is, you know, he was an easy target, and it was instant, basically, which sucks because, you know, you can catch that stuff very easily. And passed twice. I drive like a grandpa. Actually, I'm driving the speed limit. But, no, I'm heading over there. I don't know. I don't know what they're going to do. I really don't. I feel like, and I talked about this a little bit on Saturday, I kind of feel like the system here where I live with the hospitals, whenever they hear somebody has cancer, most of the time they don't want to deal with them because they already write them off for the most part. You know, I've heard stories of people. My wife told me about one person she knew that died in an emergency room after waiting for 3 or 4 hours. You know, last time my stepdad went to the hospital, it was actually the time before Saturday, whenever I went over there. It took them almost an hour or so to even come back to take a look at him. They took him to a room, and, you know, he was having chest pains. Obviously, if you're having chest pains and you go to the ER, you want to get that checked out really quick. But no, they just put him in a room, and they finally came back and asked, like, hey, what's wrong with you? And then they freaked out whenever, you know, my mom and his sister said, hey, yeah, he has chest pains. We told you guys on the EMS, like on the way here. We told you guys. And they just went ballistic on my mom and his sister, and just being dickheads about it. Like, it's you know, obviously, you know, I believe my mom, I believe his sister, whenever they say, hey, we told them. They're not going to lie to, you know, EMS picking up their husband or brother. Like, I don't think they're going to lie about that. It's just kind of stupid. It kind of caught me off guard. Just how fucking terrible people are. You know, just made a already bad event even worse. Like, I don't know. There's something needs to be done in this area about our health care system. There's a lot of corruption in that. There actually is, and we could actually do some videos about that. Now, I'm not going to be Chilean or one of these First Amendment auditors and go to the hospital and start filming them. But no, there has been some corruption within the healthcare system, especially in this area. I'm sure it's happening in your area as well. This is a conspiracy theory thing. This is actually a true thing. This is a real thing, and maybe we can talk about it soon. Some of the people that's in this area that are subscribed to this channel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You can probably back me up on this. But we'll talk about that soon. There's things like Medicare fraud, Medicaid fraud, or surgeries that are unwarranted, that are just being handed out like candy, mainly heart catheterizations. Just crazy, crazy. And we'll get some examples and stuff soon. I think that'd be interesting. We have all these people fighting the police, but no one ever says anything about the healthcare system. They just kind of get away with everything. Get away with everything. It's terrible. It's terrible. Like, there's a lot of people that's either lost their lives, got sicker, or some other things, like lost limbs and stuff, had to go through bankruptcy, all this stuff because these hospitals are money hungry bitches, basically. I don't know what else to call them. I just don't. It's fucking terrible. I kind of feel like you're not a patient when you go to a hospital. You're the customer. It's dumb. But I'm heading over to the hospital now. I'm going to check in on my mom and stepdad. I don't think they'll let me back there. They probably won't let me in at all. I don't know. But I wanted to make this daily bits, talk to you guys for a few minutes. I love you very much. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. We've lost 32 subscribers this past month, which sucks really bad. It sucks really bad. But I love you guys very much, and I'll see you soon.